Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I was making brownies and I was thinking that I want to decorate them all Christmassy and wintry. I just didn't want to leave them so plain. So I decided to do this with you guys instead of just by myself. So I did this reindeer design and this Christmas tree. They're pretty simple to make and they're super tasty, as brownies always are. So anyway, stay tuned and see how you can do it too. So first we'll cut the triangles out of our entire brownie cake. So 4 triangles. See, 4 total. Two I put on a plate and we'll start with our Christmas tree design. I made green frosting out of powdered sugar, lemon juice, and just a bit of food coloring. So now we'll cover our brownies. What I also have is decoration as Christmas ornaments, so pearls and stars. For the bottom, I just took a piece of chocolate. Now the decoration. Here are our Christmas trees, so let's get to our reindeer. I have red M&Ms for the noses or Smarties, whatever you find. Then I have these sugar eyes and I also have pretzels. I broke them into pieces so that we can have horns. I also have this food pen for gluing everything together. I'll begin with the nose. Then the eyes. Now come the horns, either on top or how I want to do it. I just want to stick them into the brownie itself. So here are all of our brownies. I hope you like them as much as I do. If you do, you can give us a thumbs up. That would be awesome. You can also subscribe to our channel and always be the first one to get new videos that we post. You can also share with friends. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope to see you again and have a wonderful day. Bye!